Okay, so we have, I've gone ahead and worked my post to post, and I did the single crochets all the way across, getting ready to do the lace. So I finished my last single crochet. I have my 66 stitches. I'm going to go ahead and chain one and turn. Okay, so this is for clue number 3, the lace motif, ropes and ladders. And so the first thing we're going to do is single crochet in that first single crochet. And then we chain 3. And we're going to skip 3 stitches. So 1, 2, 3. And into the next one, we will single crochet. And we're working a loop between these 2 stitches. So a single crochet into the next one, chain 3. And single crochet into the following. So that little loop is right next to each other. I'll chain 3 again, skip 3 again, chain 1, chaining 3 again, creating that little loop. 1, 2, 3. It felt like 4. 1, 2, 3. No. And going right into the very next single crochet, chaining 3, skipping 3, and doing my little combo again. And this is called a loop in your instructions. Chaining 3 again, skipping 3, I think in some ways this is the easiest of all of them, and then chaining 3, and you're going to end with just a single crochet in that last single crochet, and then we will turn after we chain 1. Okay, you're going to see that you will have 12 of these little loops, these little guys right here, and you'll know that you are good to go. So row 2, the first thing I'm going to do is single crochet in that very, very first single crochet that we did here at the end. And then we're going to chain 3. And this chain 3 over top of the other chain 3, these are the ladders. So chain 3, and then we're going to work a double loop inside this. So we're going to pop into the loop itself, do 1 single crochet, and then we'll chain 3, come back into that same loop, single crochet, and then we do that all again. So we will single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet again. So I think, and then chain 3, that it looks a little bit like mouse ears. So it's gonna look like that. You're gonna have a little loop with 2 little bitty ears on it. So after we've chained 3, we're just gonna repeat the same thing. So into that next loop, we're gonna chain 1, I'm sorry, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, and do all of that over again. So single crochet, chain 1, 2, 3, and single crochet. Got your little mouse ears, and you're ready to go ahead and come across. So it's the same thing over and over again. You could probably do this across faster than I can for your whole thing. All right, popping in, 1, 2, 3, and then coming in, single crochet, and then single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet again. So as not to have to watch me do this all the way across, I'm going to go ahead and pause for just a second, and I'll meet you at the end of this row. Okay, so we got to the end. So I did my last double loop inside my loop. So I'm going to chain 3, do a single crochet in this last stitch, and then chain 6 to turn. 4, 5, and 6. And that chain 6 counts as the turning chain and the first chain 3. So we're now going to be And this is what it's going to look like, right? So you get all these little mouse ears all the way across, super happy looking. And now we're going to join or create a little ladder between these. So I'm going to pop into my first loop, chain 3, and pop into my second loop. Okay, so by popping in, of course, I mean I'm going to single crochet into that first little ear, chain 3, and single crochet into the second ear. Then I'll chain 3, and I'll do the same thing again. So into the first little ear, chain 3, and into the second little ear. I'm going to repeat that all the way across, and it's looking like that. So you can see it looks, you know, takes it from Mickey Mouse into like a little sunrise sort of looking thing. So I'm going to pause it. I'm going to get to the end, and I'll show you what to do next. Okie dokie. So I have joined my last set of ears. So I'm going to chain 3 again. And now I'm going to find my last little stitch here, and I'm going to do a double crochet in that last stitch. And after my double crochet, I will chain 1 and turn. And that's what your last row will look like. So all those little ears are joined. Okay, so now I'm going to chain 3. So you can see these look like little stair steps here. And here I've got my loop with my double loop, and then I've joined it. So when I chain 3, that's going to be continuing these little stair steps or ladders. And so when I come back and do my next double loop, it will be in that chain space between the 2 loops. So single crochet, 1, 2, 3, come back in, single crochet, and then do it again. Single crochet, 1, 2, 3, pop back in there. And once again, I have my little mouse ears. I'm going to chain 3 over top of my other chain 3s and double loop in that next space between my previous mouse ears. Okay, I'm going to pause again and meet you at the end of this row. Okay, so I did my last double loop right there. So I will chain 3, and I will finish this row with a single crochet in the 3rd chain. So 1, 2, 3, popping, 1, 2, 3, popping right into there with a single crochet, and then chaining 6, 3, 4, 5, 6 to turn. And then it's really just repeating the last 2 rows over and over again for this little motif. So this one's very straightforward, really, really pretty. I do think that this would be kind of just a really fun thing to do a whole scarf out of, even a nice sort of like Afghani blanket. I've even thought in a lacier yarn that it would be fun to do this as a top, a shell that you could wear like a tank top or something under. So I hope you enjoy this clue, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much.